Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Ramon Escalera here. I sound like one of those auctioneers, don't I? Early in the morning, get my coffee in. It's 11:50. It's not really early, but you know what? You know what's better than that? Nothing is. Nothing is. I woke up late. I went to bed late, woke up late. Very bad, very bad. All right, let's continue. Let's continue. We're going to read an uptrend. How do you determine it's going to keep an uptrend? Okay, this is a 30-minute increments. Okay, just make sure you keep that in mind. That way it doesn't move fast on me. Okay, I'm not going to use any other tool other than one. Alrighty, and the one we're going to use is Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands. Okay, you can put it as simple. The period you can put it on 20, leaving a 20-day period. Standard deviations, you can put it on 1, 2, 3. The average is usually 2, pretty much. Moving average is simple. Moving average, you could select simple. And once you select simple, channel fill, you don't have to have it filled. You can remove that, and that'll remove the filling inside of it. This is just give you an idea of what it's doing. Okay, this is the 20-day moving average. This is this number here, okay? The period. This is this period here. And we're going, again, we're reading uptrends, ladies and gentlemen. Then you can click create. You can change the Bollinger Band's top color to make it like a blue and the bottom band to make it like a blue. So that way you get an idea. So we can get rid of this one. And then you can see that the moving average is in the middle. And this is the upper and lower. How do we know and determine we are on an uptrend, ladies and gentlemen? By the way, the more volume that is being traded, the wider the Bollinger Band is. Okay, keep that in mind. So from here to here tells you that there's a lot of volatility, a lot of trading. When it's narrows, there's less trading, ladies and gentlemen. Less trading being done at this particular time. But this is the 20-day moving average. How do you read an uptrend? Simple. If all these candlesticks are above the moving average, we are in an uptrend. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. When these candlesticks grow and stay above the 20-day moving average, as you can see there, we are in an uptrend. This is how you ride the wave. And keep riding this, ladies and gentlemen. This is where you make money. This is where you make lots of moolah, ladies and gentlemen. So you want to ride the uptrend. So if you would have bought here and you're seeing it rising, you would have opened up the Bollinger Band and let it ride. Let it ride. So that way you won't sell here. You know, excuse me, if you bought here, you won't sell here. You won't sell here. You let it ride. Why? Because it's going steadily up and up and up. And as you can see, it's still going. Even though you have red candles, they're not below the 20-day moving average here, ladies and gentlemen. So keep that in mind. That's it. There's the magic answer. There's the magic ticket. How to read an uptrend. Now, once it breaks this moving average, occasionally you will see one or possibly a candlestick grow below the 20-day moving average, but don't panic because if it's showing that it's going up, the candle's wick is going up, that means it could possibly bounce right back up, and no need to panic. But anyways, if you bought here and you're seeing the trend and it's above the Bollinger Bands, then you're doing a great job. So you know, right now, you can buy here, and it's possible that you'll make even more money. Why? Because it's in an uptrend. You know it's in an uptrend. You can see it here. It doesn't seem like it's going to break other than right here. It got really close. Also a little bit here. But other than that, it's still in an uptrend. And it's still moving up, ladies and gentlemen. So keep that in mind. This is how you read an uptrend. So can you make money here? Yes, you possibly can. Again, there's no guarantee. But from reading the Bollinger Bands, it is in an uptrend. And by the way, this is Ripple. So for all of you that don't know, this is Ripple. Now, I have it on a 30-minute increment, okay? Keep that in mind. It's easier to read this type of uptrend when you're using a longer period of time, okay? Because if you're going down to the 1-minute increments, that thing is like, it's very volatile, up, down, up, down. It's hard to read the Bollinger Bands at that particular moment. But, I mean, we can check it and see but I don't think it's going to be, as you can see here, the Bollinger Bands on a 1 minute, it went right below the 20-day moving average. And as you can see now it's really tanking. And it's even reaching this line. It's following the bottom line here, ladies and gentlemen. It's following, it's following, it's following. But as you can see on the 30-minute increments, it's still on an uptrend. Yes, it's going, shows going down. If I were you, I would not switch from 30 to 1. If you're already scheduling out the 30, stick with the 30. Because just because one day it may down a little bit does not guarantee it's going to go down and tank, ladies and gentlemen. Keep that in mind. Because as you can see here, it went up, 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 had some selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, and then selling and buying, selling, buying, selling. And what do you expect next? Maybe another sell and then buying, because it's in an uptrend, ladies and gentlemen. It's above the 20-day moving average. That's all I want to share with you today. I'm gone. So we'll make some money, ladies and gentlemen. Take care now. Have yourselves a wonderful day. Bye-bye.